7 powerful foods that help fight cancer. In today's video, we're uncovering the top 7 foods that might just be your best allies in the fight against cancer. These aren't just any foods, they're nature's superheroes, packed with nutrients and compounds that can support your body's defenses against this devastating disease. So grab a snack, hopefully a healthy one, and let's get into it. First up, we have broccoli. Not just a side dish, but a powerful protector. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in sulforaphane, a compound that's been shown in studies to reduce the size and number of cancer cells. Whether you're tossing it in a stir-fry or enjoying it steamed, broccoli is a must-have on your plate. Next on our list, we're going to the sweeter side of things with berries. These tiny fruits, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are loaded with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage that can lead to cancer. Plus, they make a delicious topping for your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Don't underestimate the power of garlic. This humble bulb is packed with allicin, a compound that's been found to slow the growth of cancer cells. Whether you're cooking up a storm or simply adding it to your salad dressings, garlic is a flavorful way to keep your body's defenses strong. By the way, save this video before it disappears. Moving on to a spice that's making waves in the health world, turmeric. The golden color of turmeric comes from curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's not just for curries. Try adding turmeric to your smoothies, soups, or even a warm glass of milk for an anti-cancer boost. Let's not forget green tea, a beverage that's been revered for centuries. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Sipping on green tea regularly could be a simple yet effective way to keep cancer at bay. Then we have tomatoes, especially when they're cooked. They're packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, especially prostate cancer. So, whether you enjoy them in salads, sauces, or soups, tomatoes are a tasty and nutritious way to support your health. Last but definitely not least, let's talk leafy greens, like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are loaded with fiber, folate, and carotenoids, all of which can help protect your cells from damage. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet is an easy way to boost your body's natural defenses. So, there you have it. 7 powerful foods that can help you in the fight against cancer. Remember, these foods aren't a cure, but they can be an important part of a balanced diet that supports your overall health. The best part? They're delicious too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to fuel your health journey.